Ahoy Rum Explorers, I'm Nia, and this is crew member or to never be remembered, and it's rum time. Okay, so today we have Felipe, my brother slash my rum runner, because you have gotten me some pretty sweet bottles.
From
the
Barcelona.
reason, yeah, from Barcelona. So the reason why I have him today on crew member or to never be remembered is because he actually doesn't drink that much.
Rarely.
Or at all.
I would say at all, like twice a year max. That's pushing it.
Right?
Yeah.
So I found a very cool bottle that I thought he would like. It is a very rare and basically limited edition of a pineapple infused rum.
That sounds good.
So this is from Plantation. If you're not familiar with Plantation, they are from Barbados. They are one of the few companies in Barbados that's actually pushing for very tight restrictions as far as what rum is concerned. I'll let you do the honors and open the bottle.
Yeah. So these limited edition bottles.
Yeah, so basically it's a very limited edition bottle. And let's wait. Best sound ever.
It smells like pineapple actually.
Yeah. Before into
before.
the juice.
Okay.
So they infuse it in the juice that then goes into the casks.
Oh.
And then you get this flavoring. So technically it should be as natural as possible, but we're gonna see.
Sounds interesting actually. Not that I'm not open to drinking alcohol, it's just that I like social drinking. If anything.
So as far as the recipe, it's a very old recipe from the 19th century. And they call it's pineapple rum from Stiggins Fancy, an 1824 recipe. So as far as the coloring, it's a really light amber. Let's see if it has any legs. A little bit.
Very little.
Yeah. So, you see these little pearls?
Yes.
So those little pearls are the ones that start coming down after a while, but they're very, very small. And they are taking quite a bit to come down, so it has some pretty decent legs. So as far as the nose...
It's just coming down right now.
Yeah. So basically what you get with that, and when it has great legs, is you get that lingering in the back of your palate, which is really nice, which means it's a higher end rum. So let's smell it. It definitely smells like pineapple.
For sure.
Tropical. You can still smell the rum. To me it kind of smells like molasses, but
To me it smells like rum.
it smells like rum.
No, but it smells nice actually.
But it's not very, it doesn't smell very sweet, right? No. And you don't get a lot of burn either, not a lot of alcohol. Let's see how much that is.
That's exactly what I was going to say. It doesn't completely destroy my nose, but this is really
nice. It's 40% by volume. Yeah, the labeling is pretty typical with Plantation. It's very tropical. There's some pineapples and some history as far as where the recipe comes from and who Reverend Stiggins was. Basically, he was the guy that would prefer this type of rum, which was pretty cool, but he was a hypocrite is what they would say, because he would always say that everybody has to be well behaved because he was a reverend, but then he would go and drink at the bar all the time. So it's kind of funny that they named this after him. But thank you so much for being here. I'm so happy you finally made it. Hope you enjoy this. Cheers.
Cheers. Let's sniff it one more time. pretty good. It's actually pretty good. Most of the rums usually destroy my. I mean, it obviously burns. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, there was more of a burn than I thought, or a hug, which is what we call it now.
Oh, it's a hug.
Yeah.
This is a small hug. I've had a lot stronger alcohol, like a lot more burning, which I'm not sure why that is, but
And
this
it's
was
not,
very nice.
Yeah, it's not very sweet.
No,
It's just perfect. It's perfectly balanced. They say that this is neat to be drank neat, but I feel like we should add some ice.
Yeah.
What do you think? Okay.
It reminded me of the Padre Alfonso. Hasta la vuelta, mi señor.
Oh.
In Quito, the historical story of the priest. I think you know it better, right?
I don't know. Maybe together we can put. So it's the legend of Quito, the city that we're from in Ecuador. Basically every single night.
Every night.
He would go by the church.
No, he was a priest in an Ecuadorian church, and the only way he could escape the church, because they would lock the church at night, was to climb over the Jesus cross and climb through the window and jump out the back. And he started drinking so much that the legend says that he woke up. At one point, Jesus would look up at him as he was climbing out, and he would ask him, until when, Padre Alfonso? And he would say, until
next time.
Hasta la vuelta, mi señor. This is what he would say.
Which is basically like, until next time.
Yeah. And then
until next time, my lord.
Until next time, my lord. And then he would leave, and every morning he would come home. He would go to the church drunk, and then God showed him a vision of him being carried out in a casket. He bumped into a funeral, and the casket would drop, and he stopped drinking after that day forth. That's what it reminded me.
So that's the legend.
But it just reminded me of it because, you know, the
Reverend Stiggins.
Yeah.
Let's see, Reverend Stiggins.
I'm curious about more of his story.
Consider Mr. Stiggins as anything but a hypocrite for preaching temperance while largely existing on the diet of free drinks at a local pub.
Pretty much.
So it's kind of the same thing.
Yeah, it's kind of the same thing.
Which is super cool. I didn't think about it. Okay, so how did you like it with the ice?
I like it so much more with the notes of the pineapple, a lot more. I think at least I tasted more pineapple with it when it was cool. I personally like it more.
Oh my god, yes.
Yeah, I don't know why. This will go great with some ice. Make it like I know it's blasphemy, but maybe into a piña colada.
No, for sure. This would be delicious.
Or something like that, because the pineapple notes, and piña colada has pineapple, no?
Mm-hmm.
Natural pineapple, so I would just imagine it like that, and I think that'd be nice.
Yeah, for sure. In like a frozen beverage.
Yeah, for sure.
I really like this. And the funny part is, this should be considered a flavored rum, but because it's infused with the pineapple, it's not flavors added, then some people would say it's not a flavored rum. But in my mind, considering how much I do love flavored rums, I would consider it a flavored rum.
Yeah. I consider it slightly flavored because it's not overpowering and you can still taste the rum. So
yeah,
slightly flavored is what I would
say. It's really good.
Yeah.
So, have I converted you to the rum side?
I've always, rum.
Yeah?
Yeah, ever since you gave me that rum in Ecuador, I don't remember what it was called when I was younger.
So you like this rum?
Yeah, this rum is good. This rum's good, yeah. I can see why people like certain alcohols, and this one's pretty nice. The flavors, the notes, and everything.
Would you drink it neat, like they say it should be drank?
No, I would drink it iced for sure. It's because I like sweet things, though.
Yeah.
I like sweet taste, so bringing out the pineapple notes more, in my opinion, makes it better.
Okay.
Especially since it's not overpowering and it hits you with that rum taste at the end, I think.
Yeah, that's what I love about it. That it's not
pineapple rum. It's like, it's very clear where the pineapple you taste it and where it ends.
I agree. I love it. And by the way, I love this so much that this is treasure chest approved.
Yeah. Yeah, I would high five. But no.
So you can pour some more if you want.
A little bit more. Why not?
So I have a little surprise for you. I have today a special drink.
Salud.
Salud. since you like sweet stuff and I was hoping you would like this rum, I'm gonna make an old fashioned for you.
Nice.
But I'm gonna make an old fashioned in kind of a unique way, which is my new favorite way.
Let's see.
Okay.
A little bit of bacteria boosts the immune system, so it's okay.
Yeah, 5-second rule. So I'm gonna use the rum we just tried, because you did like it.
I did like it, yes, yes. Give this. What is that?
It's simple syrup. It's basically sugar diluted in water.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that sounds like my type of drink. The
Yep.
girlier it is, the better for me. Not worried about anything. I like what I like.
And then, I know this is gonna sound really weird, but I've been using chocolate bitters. So
I'm sorry, what is chocolate bitters?
So it's basically the aromatics they put in old fashions.
Oh, okay, okay.
But wait, there's more. And now I'm gonna smoke it. So you can get that smoky flavored.
I like smoky flavor things.
I know.
This sounds just like my type of drink.
It is. Well, I'm hoping, we'll see. So the great thing is this is gonna be a little bit on the sweeter side, but I do know you love smoky, so I figured this would go perfect with the rum I picked today for you.
Yeah, for sure.
We're using the smoke top today. Make sure you use the link down below to support my channel. I really appreciate it. And these are cherry chips, so I'm hoping it's gonna bring out even more sweetness even though it's smoky.
I mean, the cherry chips should make it like that. That looks very interesting.
And then we're just gonna mix it a little.
Florida swamps? No. I'm trying to figure out a name for your drink.
No, this is just an old fashioned. Try
Okay.
that.
Well, I've never seen an old fashioned with so much sweet things. That's why I'm like, what can
Oh
it
no,
be called?
that's a standard old fashioned. Like it definitely has.
I've never heard of an old fashioned with the syrup.
Yeah, they always put simple
Yeah?
syrup. Yeah.
I thought old fashioned was supposed to be just straight whiskey on the rocks.
No,
or
they always
alcohol.
put simple syrup. I
Let's
usually.
wait a bit. I'm gonna wait a bit for it to get cool because I really do like it more as it's chilled. Ooh. Ooh. It is nice, like I said.
Right?
Yeah, completely. And for a person that doesn't drink alcohol, this would honestly be one of the rums I would drink. Ooh, smell it.
You get that smokiness with the chocolate
Yeah.
bitter notes in it too.
Oh my god, it's delicious.
Like dessert.
It's legitimately just like a. You want to try? It's legitimately just like a. It tastes
I
like chocolate.
tried, but yes.
It tastes like pure chocolate in a little. You see?
So good, right?
Yeah. Yeah, this is delicious.
Look at that smile. That's all I want.
Yeah, it's honestly delicious. Like I did not expect this one to even come close. I don't get. Why does it taste so? Is it because of the bit?
Yeah, the bitters are like chocolate. They're chocolate bitters.
Very nice. I highly recommend, especially with the smoke. Can't believe the. I think the smoke would escape from the liquid.
No, but
No.
that's why. Okay, so the way I make my smoky drinks is I make it with everything in there, so everything gets infused with the smoke. You will see a lot of people just smoke the glass, but the problem with the glass is there's nothing to absorb the smoke.
Yeah.
If you have somebody that you're making cocktails for that doesn't really enjoy smoke, I could see why you were not doing
In the glass.
in the glass
With
with
the
the liquids or with the cocktail already made.
Yeah.
But we both like smokiness,
Yeah.
and most people that drink these types of spirits do like the smokiness, so I always smoke the entire cocktail and then mix it to make sure. Good?
Yeah, like I said, this is it's right up my alley. Sweet things are always and will always be up my alley. Chocolates. As soon as I heard chocolate bitter, they're like, oh, some chocolate. Yes. Extra drops.
I did put extra drops just for you.
Oh, perfect then. So the Felipe recipe is add extra chocolate.
Yeah,
That's the
extra
only way.
sweet, extra chocolate. Well, I'm really glad you enjoyed it. And since I did manage to convert you today to some rum that you actually liked. I got you a little gift, which is a hat.
Thank you.
It's the boy logo of the logo you see behind us, and it's a embroidered hat. So thank you so much.
No, thank you.
Thank you so much for being on my channel. Thank you so much for
I got
helping
a big
me.
head, so it's okay.
Yeah. Thank you for.
This head is not normal size, so if it looks a bit small, it's normal size head.
Thank you so much for being on my channel. I really appreciate it. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so I can welcome you on board. And I look forward to the next rum. Cheers.
Cheers.